Hey guys, what's up? This is Austin from Support. In this quick training video, I wanted to explain why in some cases the stop loss price is higher than the best buy range. So let me explain that right now. So for instance, if we're looking at Apple, we have a buy range between 103 and 109, but the stop loss is at 1012, which is way above this buy range. So how can that happen? It happens like this. For instance, your optimal buy range or the best place to buy is when the line turns green, aka when it crosses above this band. And so when you buy here, then your stop loss will be underneath that price. As the stock moves higher and higher, your stop loss will slowly move up as well. Why is this? Well, because as the stock gets higher and higher, you want to make sure your stop loss comes up so that if for some reason the stock crashes against you, it's gonna close you out in profit. The stop loss will automatically close you in a profit so that you don't have to worry about losing money. You'll be making money in case the stock crashes against you. So the stop loss is recommended to move up as the stock moves higher. So as you can see here on Apple, the buy range was lower when we first got triggered here around 70, and now it's starting to move up a bit. But what we're seeing here is that the stock is continuing to move higher. So we want to move our stop loss up and up and up. Also, the stop loss still applies. Let's say if you bought the stock right now at 119.26, this is the stop loss you would use because that is the best place to set it if you bought at the current price. And so the stop loss works in that way. It helps protect you and helps make you more money instead of fearing the stock market crashing against you. All right, guys, I hope that made sense. If you have any more questions, you can always open up the chat box and let me know.